Hi, I'm Yasmin, one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana Skin Clinic in Dundrum. And in this video we're speaking about the Dermarolling and Cellulite. So people that come into me every day is looking or hates the area that have cellulite, especially this time of year coming up to the summer. Everyone's prepping their body for their bikini body, so it's good to get on top of all of our cellulite or any areas that we don't like right now. So by using the Dermarolling on the area, it's going to help with your collagen production and help firm and tighten up the skin itself. Now there is a cream that comes from Image, it's called Cellulite. It's really good for cellulite, and you can use it all over the body, just not the face because it's quite strong, and that also helps tighten and firms up the area. We would never say to roller with that cream because it's quite strong. The kind of serum that I like rolling with for cellulite is the hyaluronic, because I find that kind of plumps up the skin and I find that kind of firms this area as well. So if you put the serum on the bum area itself, you would put your serum on the area, and then with your roller you would roll up and down 5 times. Then you will lift the roller off the area and then twist it and go the opposite side 4 or 5 times. You're creating a controlled injury on the surface of the skin, which means then your skin is going to repair itself, and it's going to repair our skin as well, such as your cellulite. Where again we would see our results through tightening and firming. Now for you to get a result with the Dermarolling, you will see a difference after one treatment, but I would recommend you to use it maybe 4 to 5 times a week. Don't jump in and use them that straight away at that amount of time. Maybe use it 2 to 3 times a week, and then after about 2 or 3 weeks you can bring up to using it 4 to 5 times. But I promise you will love the results from the Dermarolling. There is a video on our YouTube channel with us rolling the bum area, mainly for scarring and pigmentation, but you'll get an idea on how to use your Dermarolling on the bum area itself. If you have any questions at all, feel free to post them below the video, or if you do feel more comfortable in giving us a call, just send us an email or call us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you and guide you in the right direction on how to get your bikini body for the summer. Thanks for watching.
What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home.